While the business tracking sheet might seem just like another piece of paperwork to fill out, it's actually really important. It's important for you to remember where you've been, who you've talked to, and what people have said. And then it's also important for the rest of staff because when you get done selling ads and we go out to give businesses to other people, we want to know who said yes, who said no, and who we haven't gone to yet so that people aren't going to the same business multiple times, but also so that we aren't missing anyone. This sheet is pretty straightforward. Make sure on the line there at the top you guys put in your name or your group members' names. And then in the space and the boxes down below, you're just basically filling it out with the information that's asked. Please make sure to put the business name and location and the contact person in the far left box. The business name is important. The location is important because sometimes there are multiple businesses, such as multiple Cane's restaurants, there are multiple State Farm agencies, there are multiple TGI Fridays. So make sure you put which one you went to, so an address is great, and then also put the person you spoke with. It's important to get the name of the person you spoke with when you go speak to someone. That'll help you if you go back another day. It'll also be helpful if we need to call or if you need to schedule a follow-up time. So make sure to write their name down too, as you might forget it if you don't. In the middle box, please write if they put yes, if they purchased an ad. Put no if they didn't. And if they asked you to come back or call again, well, make a note of that. So maybe you write yes, no, or come back. If it's come back, please put the date in there when you're supposed to go back. Or maybe there's a separate note that you need to put in there instead. But basically, how did you leave it when you left the place? And then over on the right side, there's a little bit more space for you for notes. Were you supposed to maybe talk to somebody else? Did they tell you to call back on a certain day and you want to put some notes there? Anything else, put that in the space provided there. And then you can fill out the rest of that sheet and the backside, if there's a backside, with all the different places that you have gone. Please make sure not to lose that. Please make sure to fill it out for every space that you have. And please make sure then to get that to Mr. Manful when you get done with it. That can be handed in when you turn in the ad binder. You can also take a picture of it and text it in as well. Thanks.